Here's the Robinson's Place Mall. This is the big mall in San Jose Antique. And they got a movie theater, it looks like. They have a movie world. And they have the City Hardware. We blogged over there before. We blogged here in San Jose, if you go ahead on the channel. Nice people here at the City Hardware. And we blogged over there at Robinson's Mall also. But we're gonna head off. We're gonna go to Darien Farm. Let's go! We're at Sarah Ann Hot Springs here. And in like Anwa or something like that. And they have these natural hot springs over here. And that's a pool, a saltwater pool. But we're gonna check out the hot springs. I didn't think they had any hot springs over here. And right over here, right over there, there's a hot spring. So let's go ahead. Let's go check this out. This is really beautiful. It's called like Sarah Ann. And here's the hot springs. This is a natural hot springs from the earth. Let's go ahead and touch it. I got my gloves on. So, oh, it's warm water. Oh, tastes like sulfur. Tastes like sulfur. But this is a hot springs in Antique. I didn't know they had hot springs here. My friend, who's a PNP officer, he said, you got to come to this hot springs over here. I said, hot springs? He works over in this area, but it's beautiful. They got the ocean right here. Very gorgeous. They got all these pools. And it's only like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks to stay here a night. It's very nice. But we're going to go over to the Darien Farm and we're going to check it out. But check this place out. It's nice. The Sarah Ann Hot Springs, and that was nice. We're gonna come back when we bring our bathing suit. We don't have our bathing suit. We got all this motorcycle stuff. But we're gonna come back at Sarah Ann. Very nice. Let's go ahead and get out of here. We're gonna head over to the Darien Farm. The mountain range here is really beautiful. And just look at that. It's like something from a Indiana Jones movie. It's very beautiful. I never been on this road before, but it's gorgeous. Really beautiful. I'm very impressed. Check this place out. Look at the mountains. Very beautiful. We're in the town of San Joaquin, and we're looking for the Darien Farm. Where is the Darien Farm? We're looking for it. Well, we found it. Eureka! Darien Farm. Check it out right here. Following the light. Oh, what is this? Oh, the light is so bright. There's the angels singing. Oh, it's very beautiful.